that looks good.
Our humble breakfast
Our humble breakfast.
in where Köfteci Yusuf, yeah? You can show the sign where we are.
So we are at Köfteci Yusuf at Migros 5M, you know, in front of Kipa. It's this huge place where they serve very nice köfte, and also we have breakfast in the morning. So as you see, there's so many tables here, so many customers, and it's usually very, very busy, and you cannot find a table in the lunchtime. So what's your breakfast look like? What did you order?
This is like set breakfast, kind of, for two.
So it looks a little bit like fast foody.
Yeah, but also delicacy cheese kinds, you see?
Oh, they put some interesting spices on.
The fries. I don't know, it looks nice. For quick breakfast, and then, you know. They're very fast serving here. If you're very hungry, in 2-3 minutes everything comes.
Yeah, that's interesting. Usually you have to wait for half an hour, and they're here very ready with everything. And these glasses, like, you know, like, I don't know, like old soldier glasses.
Yeah.
Let me show you around. So we have this beautiful, nice outdoor garden as well. I'll show you the nice tables here. So you could always sit outside in the garden. As I mentioned, they have a lot of tables here. So they are ready to accommodate a lot of people. And I'll show you what is very, very fun over there. It's this big fire that the cook has. I'm gonna go and check it out, what they're cooking. I like, it's like a fast food kind of place, but also very awesome. Like they are famous for good quality food. So this is the dishwasher. Look how fancy the setup. And here are the cooks. So just all day they're working on the food and cooking. Looks very good, doesn't it? All day long. So this is how the Turkish fast food looks like. You're just cooking and cooking and quickly packaging it up. As you see, it's like a few minutes and it's all done, and it's going to the table. So we have some things ready already here, preset. So salads, and I see this is cacık, I think. And there are some desserts ready to go. And they have a lot of meat here, which is like with the display. I think you can even buy it from here because people love their meat so much that they have their own selection of things that you can buy from them. Kolay gelsin. Wow, so there's a lot of options here. I know they're really famous with the quality of their meat, and for sure people kept asking so much that they decided to just go ahead and start selling it. Look, like prepared shish kebab for you here. Very nice. Merhaba. Kolay gelsin. So we are just working on packaging it up. Looks very good. And what is this? This looks like relish sauce. It's interesting. So we see it's a big brand in Turkey. Really nice place. And this is the salad preparation bar. So because it's fast food and it's going fast, so that they're doing everything quickly. So you see she has different vegetables that she's arranging into nice little salad plates, so that they would be immediately ready when someone orders a breakfast. Looks so fresh, so yummy, and because it's such big traffic here, so many people are eating, it's always fresh. It's never from like a day before, you know. So the quality of the food is really good because of that. I think my food is getting cold. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and find Mustafa again, and we'll join him for breakfast. Look, you can even buy some eggs here. Very cool. Nice tiles on the walls. There's a lot of people. Feel a little bit like in a shopping center here in Canada. You know, I feel a little bit like in Saint Laurent shopping center in Ottawa. It's like a food court. Yeah. All right. You're waiting for me not eating?
Yeah, everything that's cold already.
Thank you, baby. See you in Kuşadası.